He read each answer out loud, and when he reached the correct one, someone in the crowd coughed. He would then choose that answer, and it looked like he guessed right every time. Finally, he won the grand prize. But when the producers re-watched the footage, they noticed it was always the same audience member coughing, and this only happened on the correct answers. You see, the person coughing was actually his wife, and with another man's help, she coughed the right answers to her husband on stage. All three were found guilty, and even though he technically won, the prize money was never paid.